today we'll be teaching you how to play how much and how many.
Yeah, nice job doing all your work, everybody.
Yeah.
Let's play a math game.
So,
Let's do it.
Let's have some fun. First, go to Greg Tang Math, and then once you click it, click level 1 on as a start, and then you hit play when you want to begin.
So your
Ooh,
are there more? See how that's yellow? Pieces of corn or more radishes?
You have
Which one is
radishes.
more? Yeah. So then you get stars if you get them right. How many
So
more?
let's do some subtraction.
So you have to imagine the difference between 3 and 1.
And it's flashing because it's giving you a hint. And it's flashing 2, so I'm going to give you a 2.
And then it asks a new question. How many veggies are there in
So,
all?
1 plus 3 is 4.
So in order to do this, you have to think about more and less. Ooh, which one's fewer?
Oh, oops.
See what happens there? Is sometimes we don't know what these words are. Artichokes are green leafy veggies. Potatoes are brown lumpy veggies.
There are
Which
more.
one's more?
How
Perfect.
many more potatoes?
So now you have to compare the potatoes.
There is one.
One more. See how it's longer
Yes.
than the artichoke? That means there's
So
more.
that's how you. All right, we're doing great. Okay.
How many
Alright.
veggies in
2 plus 3
all?
is 5.
Very nice. Oh, you have quite a few.
Yeah,
veggies.
that's pretty good.
Which one's fewer?
Definitely the onions are fewer.
Yuck. I don't like onions.
Ew, they
How
make me
many
cry.
fewer?
5 take away the 3.
It's showing you the difference between 4 and 3 is just 1.
And you're wondering, what's that? Well, you have to do it before the sun goes down.
Yeah, that's like your timer. The sun is giving you all the time in the world.
Oops, I got it wrong again. Whoopsie daisies.
No problem.
So now,
Which one's more?
Cucumbers.
Or pepper? Ooh, how many more cucumbers?
there are 2 remaining.
Yep, 2 more, 2 different.
Yep.
And then they always ask how many there are in all. So this is a 10 frame, so if it was all the way full, it would be 10. But it doesn't have this one, so that's 9. And it doesn't have that one, so it's 8.
Yep, so it's our 8 number. Okay, we got 11.
Oh, which one's more?
Carrots.
Yeah, so I think you guys get the idea. Your job is to compare different veggies and talk about more and how many more.
And if you make a mistake, don't worry about it.
Don't worry
You'll
about
get
it
to
at all.
practice this as many times
As you want.
So,
how many veggies are there in all?
well, we're going to do some adding. There's 4 of them.
Nice. Ooh! We're doing really
Yeah.
well. All right, everybody. Good luck on your Greg Tang Math. Thanks for playing.
Yeah, bye. Crew W out.